Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas. We're here today with the all-new 3M G5-03 E, as in Edward. So basically this G5-03, same shell as the other ones, but this is the ergonomic version, so it has the E imprinted in there. So what that means is it's a little bit less cost, a little bit not as fancy as the G5-03s that you see out there on the market. So this one here, 3 sensors for that. Big viewing range, natural light state. You can't change color like the other one. You can't do other things with it. But natural light state, pretty simple, very economical. I mean, as far as cost goes, we'll link all that down below. Feels good. So these new G5 helmets, their plastic is rigid, and I like that a lot about them, but they still kind of flex a little bit, but very durable it seems like. You can see up front it's got the notch in there. You can put a light on there. We're going to do that in another video and show you how to install it. It goes right there. There's the lens. I'll pop that out. Let's try it on my head here real quick, see how it fits. So what I like about this is the price point, and 3M builds a good product too, so I mean, warranty's good. Oh yeah, no, feels real good. Yeah, it's nice. Actually, I like that headgear quite a bit. It feels really nice on my head. So just to give you guys so this is how you tighten and loosen your headgear. New to the G5 series. I love it because it's slim. You're not going to hit any knobs, any notches. Same thing on this side, tighten it up. Super nice here. I'll pop the lens out for you. So that just comes off there. And I like to use, I got a little screwdriver. I know it sounds crazy, but just so you ain't breaking the little clips, we're going to pop it out, and then that lens comes out the front. I'll show you guys. There's the front of it, your 3 sensors, and then there's the back. So shades 8 through 12 comes on 10. You just change it that way, hitting the button. Your sensitivity, high and low, and your delay, short and long. It has cut and grind. No external button, but you can just adjust it. You can turn it on right there. Pretty nice. 2x4 lens on the inside, and then the outside lens comes right out. That's how you change that. Super simple. Then it just clicks back in. You got to kind of be careful though. You got to get it down in there. There we go. It goes like that. And this thing, I promise you, you will not break it. Just it goes over, and you just want to like till it snaps. So you will not break that. Although if you do, we'll link that stuff down below. All the consumables on it. Super simple hood. Very price competitive. Very durable. I really do like it. For the price, can't beat it. 8 through 12. And 3M builds a great product, just remember that. So we'll link all the stuff, the accessories that you can get with this helmet. They also do make a passive shade, so it's just a straight shade. You can do 8, 9, 10, 11, just straight shade in this helmet as well. I like the ADFs or the auto-darkening shades though. Very nice hood. If you've got any questions, comments, leave them down below. We'll do our best to answer them. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for some more.